Ethan, what are you doing with that?
You measuring the living room, Ethan? What needs measuring? The peppermints?
Push the button, buddy. You push the button, remember?
The peppermints don't work anymore. You destroyed them. They lit up for like... Oh, Ethan, they're back. They're resurrected from the dead. Mommy, get it to play
Push the
again.
button. Push
Mommy, you do it.
Push the button.
Mommy, you do it. I'm captioning for him because he can't talk yet.
Here. There you go.
Only he can do it. Do you miss your peppermints, Ethan? Alright. They're not lining up yet. Oh, now he wants Mickey again. Yeah, it's Goofy.
Come on, everybody. Say choo-choo with me. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Oh, Professor, where is this choo-choo train?
There are train cars in the sugar
Ethan.
orchard, and there's train tracks in the shed.
Gee, it'd be fun to help the professor carry back all the snow he needs. Let's find the parts of the choo-choo train and put them together. Then we can use it to get all the snow.
I gotta go get that snow. Ho, ho. Well, how do you like that? Unstuck. Bye now, see you later. Don't forget to ride.
Did he end up on that mountaintop
Will
so
you help us
perfectly?
put the clubhouse choo-choo together? You will? Hot dog! I bet we could use a few mouse-skatoons. Come on, everybody, to the mouse-skatoor! Mosker hey, Mosker hi, Mosker ho! Mosker ready, Mosker set, here we go! You're a thinking and a solving working brewer. Mosker me, Mosker you, Moskatoor! Mosker me, Mosker you, Moskatoor! Oh, do it's time to get to it! Show us the mouse-skatools to help us do it! Miska, Muska, Moskatoor! Mouse-skatools, Mouse-skatools, Mouse-skatools! We've got a giant button, a ladder, a magnet for attracting things, and the mystery mouse-skatool. device tool that can help us later. Jules has the tool. Tools, so when we need 'em, Jules will be 'em. He's here for measles and mules. And all we have to say is all tools. All we have to say is all tools. Now that we've got our Mouse-Ka-Tools, let's see what parts of the train we're looking for. Thanks, Handy Helper. This is the locomotive that makes the train go. These are the train cars. What shape is the side of this car?
Choo-choo, very good.
Triangle? Nope, it's a circle. Double nope. What shape is it?
It's a rectangle, Mickey. And this one's shaped like a circle.
Yeah, you got it. The tape measure in there.
Yep.
Bless you.
Triangle, right? The last car, that's the caboose. But I like to call it the caboose. And that's shaped like a... Right, a square.
Hey, the peppermints work again.
We're looking for. Start in the shoe garage. The professor said the train cars were in there. Let's start.
I just want to watch them all the time. Again.
Again? Again.
What about the triangle car? Did you see that? Diggity dog.
I could watch these all day. Is this a real peppermint? Do you want to mute the TV?
Maybe it's the locomotive. Did you see that?
Oh no.
Ethan, you ruined it. Well, thank you. You want the tape measure?